Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga Texas construction update video. Forecasted heavy rain and thunderstorms tomorrow caused me to fly today, so another Sunday flight. Also, we'll be talking about the solar panel installation, some information about that and what it may be spelling out, and we'll look at a few highlighted areas from around the site today. As mentioned, winter is arriving at Giga Texas right now. This week looks pretty bad. You can see here what the forecast looks like, the precipitation and the winds. So expect some changes from my normal schedule this week, but I'll do my best to keep covering Giga Texas. So I thought I would address the solar panel installation on the roof, since this has generated quite a few comments and discussions on my videos. These are being installed in a west-facing manner using 10 degrees of tilt, and most people are saying this is wrong. They need to be facing to the south for maximum energy generation. So what is going on? So to help answer this question, I've looked at a number of resources. One such is at the bottom of the screen here and in the video description if you would like more information. This specific one has a study that was done at Austin, Texas. So the answer is not always the same as where you put solar panels, and it's based on location and design considerations. 3 considerations for optimal placement is positioning of the panels on the roof, what you are capable of doing based on the design of the roof, the inclination of the panels, and the orientation towards the sun. It's also affected by desired aesthetics, and that is a big factor here at Giga Texas as well. So here are a few key findings from the study. Conventional understanding is facing south when you're in a northern latitude is the best possible to receive the most sunlight. However, the studies have shown that west-facing rooftop solar panels can produce up to 49% more during peak demand periods of time. And again, this study was conducted in Austin, Texas. And this image here gives you just an idea of how that direction and angle of inclination can work. Some other findings from the Pecan Street Research Institute study is that the most optimum direction in northern latitudes is somewhere between south and west, and it can vary. The fixed panel inclination is a compromise between summer and winter sun positions, and fixed panel inclination is what you see at Giga Texas. And other factors such as roof design, orientation materials, and practicality of installation plays a key role as well. So speaking of aesthetics, Tesla has made the decision to orient the panels to the west. Elon has said he would like to have the word Tesla spelled out on the roof. And this is oriented such that airplanes approaching and landing at the international airport would be able to see the word Tesla, and also this is facing downtown Austin. In this image here, we see what may be the beginnings of the T in Tesla, and I'll continue to monitor this as we go forward. I think what they're doing is they're using the solar panels and the gaps with the solar panels to make out the TESLA letters. So I'll continue to monitor, and I'm curious what you think about this. There's just 2 areas I'm going to highlight in the intro around the site. This one is at the battery cell structure. The top left photo shows those 7 new HVAC ducts have now been cut into the roof and been framed out. The right photo shows the wall panels on the north end have been installed, and the bottom left shows more of the excavation work going on now in that northwest corner. And here's a high altitude view from the west looking at the roof over the General Assembly structure. And as we mentioned, it looks like they may be spelling out Tesla. This is what it may appear to look like, although it would be a negative. With all the white space around the letters would be the solar panels, and then the letters would be white. And you'll see this in the video as well. So as you can see, a lot going on this Sunday afternoon. To recap the intro, weather impacts this week will be affecting flights over Giga Texas, so we'll have to have a flexible schedule with that. We talked about the solar panel installation, orientation, and also what it may be spelling, and a few sites from around the area today. I hope you found this introduction helpful. A special thank you to all of my outstanding Patrons for your continued encouragement and support. Patreon members get access to hundreds of high-resolution photos, previews of the future material, and direct dialogue with me. If you would like to support my channel, please consider becoming a patron using this link, which is also in the video description. Please also consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, as this helps as well. Thank you. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga Texas.